Hey Arts community, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you my personal experiences and method that I use to save and manage time in IELTS reading. There are few methods that I used when I prepared for IELTS reading. So let's take a look at all these. So the first and the foremost thing that we need to take into our consideration is to learn all the methods that are used to solve different types of question types in IELTS reading so that we can solve them easily, and which will eventually with practice help us solve all the question types in less time. The second important thing is to read the passage carefully. It doesn't mean to read the whole passage. It means to read the passage in scan and skim method, which means to only look for the keyword or things that are related to the question so that it is easy to find the location of the question and get our answer correct. Most of you would already heard of the phrase practice makes the man perfect. It is applicable to IELTS reading also. How much you practice and try to improve yourself daily will also help you at the end, as this will help you strengthen your methods to solve your IELTS reading. You will be able to make your own strategies to solve reading, which will eventually help you save time and do IELTS reading in an effective way over time. Well, if you are doing passage 1 for example and you find it difficult to solve question number 5th or 6th in your question, so just leave that question and proceed to the next one, as sometimes the difficult question are placed in between the easy ones. So do these questions at last